Hello everybody, today very quick news as well because my throat is still not ready, okay, and there are a few couple of news that we may here discuss. Positive, everything's positive. Depends how you look on it. So let's go. Hello and welcome to 321 Crypto. Let's go. Remember, everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. You always press your own button. So let's go. So as you can see, Bitcoin did a nice retest, but if you're gonna go to 30 minutes chart, you can see that this 200 moving average was many times retested in this place. So if we can take a look at 4 hours, a 4-hourly chart, we can see 50 moving average, okay? So basically, if we are talking about Bitcoin reversal or something, we should have to create first swing failure pattern. So if price will go like this, we'll print lower low, then go back here to that level, which will be quite good opportunity to short the market, okay? On the bigger time frame, we will see that this move here to that level will be broken as well, okay? And the price will then fall dramatically, let's say to 200 moving, not daily, but 4 hourly, and then reverse here, for example, or maybe even here, depends when the fib will be level, and then again. So I'm gonna show you this on a zoom, okay? Here we had this drop down, and I have grabbed this, this point here, and here we have a nice retest from this 200 moving average. And look, the price came back exactly to the neckline of this level here, where we have a golden pocket, so Fibonacci 0618, and then bam. But that's what I was talking about this on the channel, that we didn't see huge down, and I think it's gonna be breakout and again. So something like this, okay? Something like this. So watch out, because Bitcoin didn't stop yet. So let's go to coins. So what I'm looking at GameStarter. GameStarter will have soon IDO, 28th of March, first IDO. So I think they're gonna start breaking upwards. And I'm counting about 50, maybe even 100%. CTQ, quite big coin, however, still in a good shape. All these coins, remember, they're in a bearish formations, okay, bearish formations. However, if we have this bull market now and this bull sentiment, we can go pretty up, okay, pretty up. So what I would see is that this could be this could be breaking the upside. That's what I'm counting. Sovereign also is going up. Oh yeah, MUBI, BRC20 narrative. Okay, it's good to have. And BSSB is good to have as well. Also BRC20. So that's gonna be good when the BRC20 will come in. Another coin that I have here on the list is, of course, the Brock. So Brock, I broke out, and look, this is our pattern of chlor. This one, you see, this one. So we will see if here we're going to consolidate, and slowly we will start going up. Another coin. So this one I would say for just hold on a few days. Velo will have a few events to the end of the month, okay, and I think Velo will start closing this maybe even 2 cents. So it's like half of a cent now. Watch on Velo. And of course we have SLP now is consolidating like it should, I would say. And we have also Xen is pumping really nice. I don't know, do you have Xen? XN is pumping really nice. Maybe finally something is moving there, you know. And the coin that I have on my list, okay, is another one is missed. I'm gonna sell a few words about this. Really nice. It's a very small coin, and they are working on their games. On their game, I used to play that game. It was alpha, very early. Genso Kinshi is moving, but Genso Kinshi still costs nothing. But something is getting there. Watch out, because something is getting. Finally, something is getting there. So some of the coins from Metaverse are going up. Launchpads like Flame is going up. It's now breaking from this neckline. But the coin that I want to show you is also one of the AI coins. So we have our Lyri test. That's fine. Geez, we were accumulating this here. Look, perfect. Almost 10x's. GAX. I kind of hope you have exit that thing. And we have also Swash. Where is Swash? Oh yeah, there is Swash. Swash has a full potential energy. Swash didn't go out yet. Okay, I didn't check the news on Swash, but it didn't go out yet. And I'm thinking about ABC or Wave 3, and then we're gonna have why do I have, oh yeah, sorry, yes, and then we're gonna have breakout from this Fibonacci, and then like it's because like all these coins are going out. Look like what sort of consolidation this coin has. These coins also could be going to 4 cents. Watch out also on AWACS. AWACS entire ecosystem start to pumping. So money is coming back to AWACS for a second. Maybe it's gonna come back then to Phantom. Nothing happens there. I am thinking about DOT, because DOT is just nothing happened in DOT this in this bull run yet. And I'm looking at SNX. SNX, if somebody don't have coins and don't know what to buy or whatever, yeah, let's check this as SNX synthetics. Basically, synthetics is used in almost every perp dex who is using leverage, yeah, and so on. So this synthetics multi-chain, they are supporting liquidity to most of these famous dexes, and the coin is getting nowhere yet. Okay, so like I'm thinking it's gonna have a market cap of, let's say, a couple of billions easy. So I'm still thinking about 5x's, like the whole entire market. Like I'm putting here quite a lot, because for me this coin is, you know, I would say reliable. Okay, but you know, it's not, there are no guarantee. So these are the coins, and of course I would say, oh yeah, Gamey. I was showing this in the beginning, sorry. So Sin still, they have a power to go up. Okay, we just need a little bit of market. So if the Bitcoin will start breaking to the upside, to that level, everything will be fine. My targets on Bitcoin, okay, are 75 is here, but if we're gonna go to blow off top, and usually the blow off top, like I showed you yesterday, is 100% from the last base, and if it's, let's say, 45 or 40, the Bitcoin could go to between 85 to 80. And I'm not under severe pressure of, let's say, bull market, and I didn't believe in hype, you know. I'm not, no. I know, like, you know, I'm cold, don't worry. I'm just saying that this could be possible because now I see plenty of blow off tops. Okay, so let's see, like I'm trading till I'm not going to see this pattern that I show you. So lower low than this, then coming back, and then we are breaking to the downside. I'm just gonna show you this on Bitcoin. Okay, on Bitcoin here, look, that's the last bull run. Look, we had a nice higher high, another one, and then we achieve higher high, all-time high, and look, we have printed lower low, lower than this one. Then we came back here, lower high, bam. So that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm waiting for, okay? If this, let's say, if this trend line will be broken, then I'm waiting to price to come back here to that level, let's say swing feather pattern, bam, short. So let's go to some other coins as well, like Rosnet. So there are plenty of say about the Rosnet today. Price dropped down from $7 up to 1.7. Food was spread all over the world, and Rosnet was suspected by dumping the coins and so on. But the team says they didn't do it, and actually it doesn't make any sense. Like, you know, they put a lot of pressure in their product, so slowly somebody was checking out the routes of the of these wallets, and and it was kind of reviewed that that make no sense. So there are other things that what I'm thinking is that there was also something that glitched. Somebody was creating a fake Rosnet account, and they were also having these airdrops where you log in, and then you place your wallet in that phishing website, and there's a drainer. So what I'm doing, I'm not getting any airdrops. I don't care. If I have to connect somewhere wallet, I don't care. There are also a few other projects that may be very interested. EEFI, but maybe I'm going to talk about them tomorrow, okay? I'm very interested. This one. I hope tomorrow the price will be here. I'm going to talk about this, so then you can kind of consider this coin as well. But at the moment, oh yeah, there is one more coin, sorry. Where is it? Oh yeah, Becube. Look, Becube went down dramatically, okay? I was actually doing some research, and I was kind of on their Telegram, Twitters, and their socials. Looks like somebody had a paper hands and just did a dump. So I'm buying this because, look, it's only 7.4 million market cap, and it's like the price was $1. Now it's like it was 30 cents. Like, for me, huge discount. Let's go to some news. So Mist is replying that they're gonna grow, they're gonna produce more. And actually, I was playing in their alpha. Well, game, but on the first, let's say, so early stage, was looking good. So if they're gonna, create beta and add these tasks and everything, I think it's gonna be nice online kind of RPG game, So Mist is very, very cheap. It's like market cap is about 700K, not millions, K, yeah, thousand. So that could be good. Vanguard CEO, surprise exit raises big questions for the investment giant. You see, Vanguard was saying, Timmy, that was actually on the older channel. Before I move English channel here into 321 Crypto, that was previous one. So when Vanguard, when everyone was going to Bitcoin, Vanguard CEO says, no, we're gonna buy bonds. You remember when I was saying, Timmy boy? That was then. Now, everyone went to Bitcoin and they noted so much gains. So Vanguard clients, want also this, but this CEO said when he will be, at his time, no Bitcoin will be traded in Vanguard. So I think it's time to remove him. That's what they are doing. Mark Wolinski says, one of the biggest wealth transfer in history is happening right in the front of us. 99% of people think it's scam because they just don't understand it. So it's like, we are here, but if you're going to speak to normal guy, nobody understands this, yeah, and then they're going to miss that thing. So here we have this Rosnet news and this wallets, yeah, that someone was tracing, but I'm going to say a different thing. Let's even assume that team have dumped these coins, okay? When somebody from team was actually talking to me that they didn't and so on, and so far when I was speaking with someone there, it's like its communication is good, okay? And but let's assume that they dumped this coin. But if the team have dumped that coin and they still producing, going to deliver things, yeah, like the team have to eat as well. So if they dump that coin and they load their kind of paychecks, yeah, to work further and deliver more, well, I am okay. I was telling you to take profit because someone else will gonna take that profit. So if somebody can hold, well, that's not for me. And also, team said that they were transferring money. I mean, money. They were transferring funds because of their marketing wallet. Yeah. So for marketing campaigns, so that's normal what the teams are doing. Yeah. But the people just create food, and now probably these foodsters they're buying now. They are probably buying now. Another coin which is not there yet, it's Agora. But I'm gonna tell you a few words about this later on. So BXX have pumped nicely because they are having this crypto card, which they can you can spend crypto on any transaction. Yeah. That's actually in Polish, just the inflation. I was showing here that was somebody from the viewers give me nice material, and I was able to show that inflation year over year is a lie, and we shouldn't rely on it. And we're supposed to learn how to calculate inflation. So everything here, everything this, what your teacher or professor from the economy will not going to show you, because these people, they only mostly 99 per 100, they only know books from school, from some sort of central banking guys, yeah, and they don't think. So unfortunately, this is reality. So we are pumping. Look, QE is like a AWACS on I move AWACS. It's like a AVE on AWACS. Okay, on AWACS. Joe is like a UNISWAP on AWACS. So when AWACS was start pumping, these two coins are also another, and I would say XAVA if you have, that's the biggest launchpad on AVAX as well. It's pumping as well. So Theta network is also going 3D rendering and so on. That's why Theta was pumping so hard. I just didn't notice this news at all. Sidus is also getting back to the game. Okay, like we were kind of looking at the Sidus before. That's the Sidus. It was we had this Sidus somewhere here, but I don't. Oh yes, Sidus. Yeah, so Sidus went kind of up for this news, and it was that they have a voting, and every voter will gonna get some Sidus. So I think the vote gonna be like it was already, and now when they're gonna receive these airdrops, probably the coin will dump again. Okay, so we are looking for these vaults. More vaults will be open. Chlor AI. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one gem. Chlor is not a gem anymore, but I used to be when the Chlor was a gem with it. Okay, I have it from 0.005 cents. So we have another gem here, which is Rentai. Rentai is renting GPU isn't a kind of GPU marketplace like a Chlor, but it looks like a scam. For me, looks like a scam at all. Look, we have here not all information. We have only features. Stake rent to earn ETH, and invest in future, right? Blah 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 blah. If we're gonna go to enterprise, it's a little bit change, plug and play for any, but nothing change. Okay, nothing change. The website looks like a scam. When I see the website where the main focus from the website is to buy a token, for me it's a scam. However, Chlor AI was looking the same way. When me and my friends, when we saw Chlor back in, let's say 10 months ago, pure scam. Like I said, Jesus. And now it's like a growing GPU marketplace. So this one is about 700 market cap, 700? No, not even 700. Less than 700 market cap. And it's just a new coin, yeah. So depends up to you. Just read, maybe you're gonna hear from team something. Just take a look. Another one is MTLX. MTLX. I am waiting till MTLX will go down like Becube, for example. MTLX is the coin, is the kind of DEX, AI DEX, which was created by a guy from Fetch AI. So that could be something big as well. Could be, but I'm waiting for a drop down. I'm gonna wait. I'm good in waiting. So you can see this is this agent-based DEX, yeah. So here we're gonna have, let's say, AI, which gonna be helping us trading. That's some new generation stuff like. And here we are going to Swissborg. So Swissborg will gonna have Agora DEX incoming deal, alpha deal on Swissborg, 28th of March. So what is Agora? So Agora Agora DEX is the gamify DEX, where you can change, replace NFTs. Basically, it's like an immutable X, but on upgraded level. You're gonna get the free transactions because they are using account abstraction. You're gonna get also nice graphic in some the way that it's like a loot boxes. Okay, so imagine yourself that you are a game developer and you want to give airdrop. So people can use this to receive airdrop, actually even to receive rewards, actually even to receive everything in games like a task, some some sort of competition, whatever. You can exchange here many other stuff from games, NFTs, some kind of stuff and everything. So it's pretending for a number one platform, gamify platform for different stuff. And you have a loot box, you have a jackpot as well. Every time you can win something here, it's like it is getting it is looking very interesting. Yeah, so you can loot something here. I just don't have this demo connected here yet. So so it is looking good, and the most of it is using support to Swissborg, so it's going to have a connection to big players as well. And then these big players may use this project where you can then receive the AGA token, okay? I don't know. I'm going to Swissborg, I'm buying this, okay? This is not financial advice. I'm buying all the pre-sales on Swissborg. So far, I haven't been I haven't got any losses on Swissborg, so it's my main gateway. So I'm just only showing this, okay? And at the end, I'm gonna just show you one thing. This is a top fiat currencies by market capitalization. So fiat market cap. Look, Bitcoin is at the 13th place. So imagine yourself now, like in Norway, I don't know, did you heard, but they are coming back to cash. They released some constitution stuff that cash cannot be banned, and shops have to take your cash if you don't want to pay by card. That's a very, very, very serious thing. Because what I'm thinking is that if somebody was looking at this and said that Bitcoin is pam, 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 going up. So if they're going to create a digital coin, it's going to be something like, let's say, some, I don't know, Fido, or let's say some other coin. Even Fido will be a way better coin than, let's say, Canadian dollar, because Canadian dollar could be frozen in my account, yeah, and Fido will not. Okay, Fido will be mine. Okay, mine. So Fido, Toshe, whatever, yeah, they're gonna be better, and like maybe they can see this thing, and that's why more people are now buying. Countries are now looking at Bitcoin because they want to be inside something which is not controlled by any other country. Like these currencies, they can be printed to oblivion, okay? Bitcoin can't. So that's why when, there is a small door, and look, there are plenty of players. If everyone wants to go inside this door, the pressure is so big that something may change. And for the first time, we have a currency attack where US used a currency, weaponized a currency to attack Russia and have frozen their accounts. And nobody could do the business with Russia, for example, yeah? So I'm not saying I'm kind of supporting Russia and so on. I don't care, okay? There's a plenty of other things there that nobody's talking about. It's not as news as showing this, for sure, okay? But what else, what would happen if tomorrow, let's say, Argentina will be under this target? What's going to happen if tomorrow Europe will be under this target? You know what I mean? Tomorrow, you could be under severe target because they're going to attack you. Today, you're good. Tomorrow, according to somebody, you could be bad. So that's it for today. Remember about the DAO still. Game still. What else was it? CQT, I'm thinking as well. And I'm focusing on these coins. Plus Rosnet. I'm always saying Rosnet, I don't know. Rosnet. And we have this new gem Rent, but watch out on this, okay? Or just watch out. And missed. Take care, see you, bye-bye.